Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Emma Munawar Rosalihah. I will explain about computer programming. Main topic is introduction of computer programming, programmer tools, type of programming languages, example programming languages, and type of programming job. Okay, what is computer programming? Programming is the process of giving machinists a set of instructions that describe how a program should be carried out. Programmer, programmer will spend their whole careers learning a variety of programming languages and tools so they can effectively build computer programs. Variable, data, and syntax. Variables are used to store information to be referenced and manipulated in a computer program. The data type is an attribute of a piece of data that tells a device how the end user might interact with the data. Example, integer, string, char, boolean, and float. Syntax is the set of rules that define what the various combination of symbols mean. Programmer tools, code editor or IDEA, Xcode, Sublime Text, Notepad, etc. Laptop and knowledge creativity. Type of programming language. A. Procedural programming language. Function of procedural language may control variable. Other than function, value returns. For example, printing out information, example of the language, Fortran, Pascal, etc. B. Functional programming language. The functional programming is primary focus is on the return value of functions inside the back and different suggest that storing steps are powerfully discouraged. Example of the language, JavaScript, Python, etc. C. Object-oriented programming language. The aim of this programming language is to think about the whole by splitting it into a collection of objects that offer services which can be used to solve a specific problem. Example of the language, C++, Kotlin, etc. D. Scripting programming language. These programming languages are often procedural and may comprise object-oriented language elements, but they fall into their own category as they are normally not full-fledged programming languages with support for development of large systems. Example of the language, Perl, PHP, etc. And logic programming language. This type of languages let programmers make declarative statements and then allow the machine to reason about the consequences of those statements. In essence, this language doesn't tell the computer how to do something, but employing restriction on what it must consider doing. Example of the language, Lisp, Clojure, etc. Example, a programming language. JavaScript, known for its ability to enable interactive and dynamic content and user interfaces. It supports both client-side and server-side scripting. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is the most basic building block of the web. It defines the meaning and structure of web content. CSS or Cascading Style Sheet. Style sheet language used for specifying the presentation and styling of a document written in a markup language such as HTML or XML. Front-end and back-end computer programming. According to MC Candelas, front-end development involves working with code that produce the element that user can see and interact with. It's about how a website looks and feels. Back-end, web developers make sure the website works as it should do, and the code they write is normally invisible to user. Back-end, web developer work with database that store information such type of programming job. Web developer. This type of programmers build application for the web. They will work with language like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, and more. And mobile developer. This type of developers build application for mobile devices. Programming languages will include React, Native, Swift, Flutter, Java, and Kotlin. And system engineer. This profession combines computer sciences and engineering to work on complex business applications. Programming language will include Python, Java, and C++. The benefit of computer programming: the first, earn a good salary by building skill, flexibility to work from anywhere, anytime, creatively solve real-world problems, develop call mobile application, make addictive games that user love, stay ahead of the curve by continually evolving, explore artificial intelligence and other future-ready trends, accomplish anything by employing technology to work for you, become a mentor leader, and coding is applicable now and almost all industry. Okay. Conclusion: computer programming can be a very rewarding career both intellectually and financially. Programmers need to be willing to learn new things and solve complex problems. Okay, maybe that's enough. Thank you for attention. At the late I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.